Hello my friends, Speedy Ninja here again, back with part 2 of our nature walk here at Misawa Community Forest, and we'll continue our little walk through nature here. As you can see, this is a little cabin that we talked about in our first video, here next to the lake. Now we're gonna go to the other side of the lake as part 2 of our video. Here we go. See if we can find any animals, or we'll see what else we can find out here. So you can see they got some nice blue flowers here. And flowers are these, and very nice. Look like cherry blossoms, similar. As you can see here, most of the plant life here is very, very green due to the fact that it rains a lot here in this part of the northern part of Japan, because we're pretty much up north, and Tokyo will be down to your south of Japan. We're going down this little trail here and see what we can find. What else is out here? Never know, we might find a boogeyman out here, you never know. There you go. Got some white cherry blossom flowers. Some that are barely growing still, barely getting their color. Those ones are completely bloomed. They got their natural white color. And over here we got, behind these trees is the middle of the lake. As we make our way down the trail here, a lot of birds out here up in the trees. It's just hard to spot because it's so green out here. Let's make our way down the trail here. Let's see if we can find anything else out here. It must be small animals out here, like squirrels and small birds, a couple of hawks. A lot of bugs though, can feel them. Let's see what we got over there. And we got another stairwell here. It goes down to the lake coming up. Let's take this stairwell here, and it looks like it goes all the way down to the lake. What else is up there? As you can see, very forested, a lot of bush, a lot of bush. Let's make our way down to these stairs and see what else we find out here. And more of those cherry blossom flowers. So you can see they're all over the place. It's a common thing in Japan. And we gotta be careful here because the steps are very moist, so you gotta really be careful. It's very steep coming down. And we made it to the bottom, my friends. We are at the middle of the lake. They got a warning sign there letting you know that it's pretty steep. If you take that trail down there, it's a drop-off cliff down to the bottom of the water. And here we go. We're at the bottom of the trail. There's two trails, one on top up there where the stairs are. If you take the stairs back up, there's a trail up on top. Once you get to the top, you make a left, and that one will bring you to the top of the mountain, the hill here. This one brings you down the middle of the hill, right next to the water, as you can see, right next along the lake here. Let's see what we can find out here. And they, of course, a lot of lily pads for the frogs and small insects. They can jump on there, relax in the sun. And let's see if we can spot some people out on the boat over there. Let's see. They're fishing still. They got a couple of benches here where you can eat your lunch, take a little break, enjoy the nature. There's nothing like the outdoors, my friends. It's always good to get out, enjoy the fruits of nature. And let's go see what else we can find here. Konnichiwa, meaning hello in Japan. Let's continue our Let's continue here. Say hello, Speedy Ninja. I guess you don't want to talk today. Speedy Ninja doesn't want to talk today. Well, let's continue, guys. Let's continue, and then here we go. We got the fishermen out there in the lake fishing. A lot of good fish in this lake. And as we continue our trail here, see where it leads us. Brings us across to the other side of the lake. Oh, some birds. Where are they? Here's some birds. Some birds. A lot of birds out here, just hard to spot them. You can hear them. Hello, hello. Konnichiwa. Meaning hello in Japanese. And we got some more bushes up here. Very dense bush. And of course there's quite a few bugs. Not that many, but not as much if you were in the Amazon or in a denser jungle. But there is a few bugs here and there that you have to swipe a little bit. It's the bugging you. There you go. Let's see what else we can find on this little trail here. Nice big tree here. Got a nice cover if it rains. You walking down this trail, you can pretty much stay covered by these leaves of all these trees. They're kind of like overhanging on top here. Pretty good cover for when it rains, especially if you don't have an umbrella and you're out here taking a nature walk. Pretty amazing. You don't see these in zoos or your local parks. You gotta get out and find all these kinds of trails. Whoa, big bee. Big bee, big bee. Big bumblebee there, trying to get me. Let's see, what else we got over here? Okay, we will continue. Looks like it used to be a lot of dirt here. It's been removed. Maybe because it rains a lot here. Let's continue our little hiking trail trip here. I hear some more birds somewhere up there. Oh, there's one. There's one. They're up there somewhere. Hard to see the little suckers. They blending. They camouflage with the forest. Let's continue, my friends, here. Let's see what lies at the end of the trail. And as you can see, we're just about a quarter mile from the beginning of the start of the lake. We'll see how far this goes. Still trying to spot. There's a little spider there. Where are you? Little spider right there, ladies and gentlemen. A lot of little creatures out here. Let's continue our trip here. We're getting close to the end here of the lake. And as you can see, the lake's still on your left side. And on the right, you got a lot of, so much dense vegetation. This is kind of like what you see in the movies, like Lord of the Rings, Harry Potter, the Enchanted Forests movies. Similar, except it's real. And it looks like we coming to the end of the trip here. Here in the nice dense forest of Japan. And as you can see, my friends, this is the end of the trail. Join us next time. This is your friend, Speedy Ninja, out. Safe travels.